In a world where flexibility, reliability, and everyday needs must always be met, you need your internet to be just as flexible. A service that's not limiting and can travel with you wherever you go. A simple, fast way to connect your home to the internet without the need for cables and the extra hassle of traditional internet. Introducing Wireless Home Internet, the internet solution that connects your home using cellular networks instead of traditional wired connections like fiber or cable. Unlike traditional internet, Wireless Home Internet receives signals from cell towers and transmits them to your home router. No more cumbersome wires or costly installation. It's easy to set up. No technicians, no drilling, no waiting for installation. Just plug it in, connect your devices, and walk away. That's it. With fast speeds and wide coverage, it's a flexible solution for homes, business, and everything in between. EarthLink Wireless Home Internet. No cables, no hassle, just internet, whenever and wherever you need it.